Welcome! If you're looking to enable polls in your Telegram group using the latest update on your PC, you're in the right place. Polls are a fantastic way to engage your community, gather opinions, and make decisions together. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to allow sending polls in your Telegram group, so your members can start voting right away. First, launch the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to manage your group. Next, open the group where you're an admin. Only admins have the ability to change group permissions, so be sure you have the necessary rights before proceeding. Once inside your group chat, look towards the top right corner of the window. You'll see 3 dots. Click on them. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Manage Group. This will take you to the group's management settings, where you can control various permissions and features. Now, in the Manage Group window, find and click on Permissions. This section lets you decide what members are allowed to do in your group. Scroll down or look for the option labeled Send Media. Here, you'll find a list of media permissions, including the ability to send polls. To allow polls, simply find the Send Polls option and enable it. This is usually done by toggling a switch or checking a box next to the option. Once you've enabled it, don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. That's it. Your group members can now create and send polls directly in the chat. This feature is perfect for quick surveys, planning events, or making group decisions. Remember, keeping your group's permissions up to date ensures everyone can participate fully and helps your community stay active and engaged. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with other group admins who might benefit from these steps. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy making your Telegram group more interactive with polls.